Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to swipe to turn on the AI Select mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to use the AI feature called AI Select on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you need to first go ahead and bring the Air command out and then go ahead and tap on Air Select. However, this is quite a lot of steps in order to just open up Air Select. So let me show you how you can set up the right swipe to turn on Air Select. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up the Samsung Store, search for Samsung Store. This is the app you need. Tap on this. This is something similar to Google Play Store. In that, you want to go ahead and search for an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app itself, you need another app called One Hand Operation. Tap on this. Now here we'll go ahead and select the left handle. You can also select the right handle or the left handle. So let's just go ahead and select the left handle. Now you can choose straight right swipe or diagonal up or diagonal down swipe. So I'll just go ahead and select the straight right swipe. And now from here, you can go ahead and choose all these available actions you can do on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Now from that action, you want to go ahead and find AI Select. Now press home. And now when you right swipe, this will open up your AI Select and you can go ahead and select whatever you like. So there you go guys, that is the easy way of turning on the AI Select on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.